Hi, fourth grade Wildcats. This is Miss Schrader. I wanted to check in on you today and give you a little bit of help with adding decimals, so I made this little video for us. To add decimals correctly, there's a few things that we need to understand and do. First, lining up those decimal points is very, very important. The task of lining up place value using decimals is made much easier if you just use a place value chart. And then, just like in any addition operation, we're going to begin adding in the place value furthest to the right and regroup as needed. Let's use the problem of 1.6 plus 0.7 or 1 6/10 plus 7/10. In 1 6/10, there is 1 1, so I place the 1 in the ones place value chart. 6/10 are recorded as 6 in the tenths place. 0 ones is recorded as 0 in the ones place. And 7/10 is recorded as 7 in the tenths place. Now my problem has been properly placed on a place value chart. Notice how the decimals are one above the other. They are stacked up. The 1 in 1 6/10 is right above the 0 in 0 7/10. And in both numbers, the tenths place values are stacked one on top of the other. Remember, we need to begin adding in the place value furthest to the right. In this case, it's the tenths. Notice they're circled now in purple. So 6/10 plus 7/10 is 13/10, which I record as a 3 in the tenths place and regroup the 1 as a 1. Does that make sense to you? Remember that 10/10 makes one whole. So if I had 10 extra tenths, I actually have one whole. So I'll regroup that 1 in the ones place. Next, we're going to add the values that we see in the ones column. So I have 1 plus 0 plus the 1 that we regrouped from the tenths. That equals 2. So the sum of 1 6/10 and 7/10 is 2 wholes and 3/10. Now it's time for you guys to practice. Here are 5 problems you can use. I want you to draw a place value chart. You can copy the one that's on the screen here. Place those numbers very carefully by place value so that the decimal places are lined up, and then find the sums for each of these 5. Now, while you're working, I want you to press pause on this video. Work through all 5, and when you are finished, unpause to go to the next screen to check your work, okay? So these are the answers that you should have gotten. These are the sums to the addition problems that I gave you. I hope that you were able to successfully get these answers. I hope that you built a better understanding of how to add decimals through using this video, and this should help you to be better prepared for your zone lesson. If you have any questions, message me back, okay? As always, 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 I love you and I miss you. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're staying safe. Remember to wash your hands like crazy. I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye.